Creating a free website with Jimdo is straightforward and perfect for beginners. Follow these steps to get started. Sign up. Visit jimdo.com and click on Start Now. Choose Create a website or Create a store. Select your creation method. Dolphin. Answer a few questions about your site and Jimdo will create a tailored design for you automatically. Creator. If you prefer full control, start with a template and customize it yourself. Choose a template. If using the Creator, pick a free template that matches your site's purpose. Customize your website. Use a drag and drop editor to add or modify elements like text, images, and buttons. Change the design, colors, and fonts to align with your brand or style. Add essential pages. Add pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Use the Page Manager for navigation. Connect your domain. Free Jimdo websites come with a subdomain like yourusername.jimdofree.com. Publish your website. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your website live.